Hello, hello, hello. Everybody, look at Mila. You're going to the beach, Mila, today? Yes. Swim in the sea together with lovely Barbie and her puppies. So Barbie and her sisters and puppy swimming. Barbie, it's called swimming pup pool from Barbie. So we have a pool, Barbie, and two puppies, one small and one is big. Now, here is Barbie. Here is the pool. That's all. Let's get this. Yeah, I have water, don't worry.
Ketchup.
There you go. You need water? Like this. It smells. It smells good because it's fresh water. Okay, so I'm getting Barbie and her puppies out. Now look, this dog and this puppy has a little puppy on her back. Now, wow, finally Barbie is out. Well, look, and she is ready to swim. Now, okay, so we have this board here. We put here. Wow! You can jump. Barbie doesn't stand on her own, but she can stand on her knees, no? Like this. No. It also says that her swimsuit will change color. Okay, but you can take this off, and now let's wind the tail of this puppy. Mila, look. Mila? Yeah. It's swimming. Okay, let's put this little guy. Swimming somewhere. So her color changes from pinky to purple. If you put it in the water, does it change? No, it doesn't change. Why? Why is that?
Это baby, я богачка.
I can dance.
No, Mario.
No.
Mario большая.
Okay.
Маленький.
Small one. Barbie is all wet.
Маленький моточек. Ой, и точка, и точка. Вот.
Come on, little puppies. Swim, swim. Get all the sunshine. Barbie can sit like this, no? Can sit. can put her here. Now, let's put her like this. And her knees. Yeah. And let's wind this lovely puppy. Look at this. Just Barbie's falling. Using this tail. Now. Swimming. And using her tail to swim. That's a good idea. Now, Mila, just it's gonna. We have to. He needs air. Air. I need air. Little puppy. Okay, I have a little bit of eyes and we'll check. Let's see, will it change color? No, it doesn't change any color. You can put eyes inside. She has a pink. Wow, there's a shark. Shark? Okay. What? It's changing color to purple.
Purple? Oh, purple.
Woo, yeah. Little Barbie. All wet. Barbie is all wet. Now, let's... Yeah. Dry her out. Dry. It's all wet now. We have to wipe all this water from the table. Now she's gonna swim with this little puppy on her back and woo, yeah, yeah. Not a good swimmer, our little puppy, and the big puppy. All the puppies are not swimming well. Oh, Barbie is chilling in the pool. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. It's summertime. And this little puppy is sitting on her lap. Sunbathing. Oh, you can put her hands like this. One like this. And the other. Can you see? Oh, there is a shark! There is a shark in the pool. I'm gonna eat it. I am so scared. No, I'm so scared. Pew. I'm gonna jump in the pool. No? Okay. So Barbie's swimming. You can wash her hair. Here. Water is everywhere, Mila. It's all over the place. Okay. Just put Barbie here. Like this, yeah. Dry her hair. Use this paper towel. Okay, this like this. Okay, cool. Super cool. Good. Now Barbie is dried. Let's dry this little puppy here.
Barbie, пап, а где маме маленький? Ну, подай маленький.
Okay, take her off. So Barbie is gonna continue her swimming with her puppies and have fun. Today is a sunny day and they are having fun, so they will continue doing so, and we say to you bye bye and we'll see you again. Have fun, enjoy the rest of this lovely summer.
Bye bye.
Okay, let's try something else.